Last time, I showed you 7 free AI tools that felt almost too powerful to be free. But what if I told you those tools were only the beginning? Today, we're taking the next step with 7 incredible AI websites that can help you write faster, design smarter, automate repetitive work, and create content that looks completely professional. Some of these websites are still flying under the radar, even though they can replace hours of manual work with just a few clicks. And trust me, the last website on today's list is one you'll probably start using immediately. Whether you're a student, a content creator, a freelancer, or simply someone who wants to get more done in less time, these AI websites can completely change the way you work. Let's jump right in with the first website. And if you watched the previous episode, you'll see how these websites make those AI tools even more powerful. The first AI website on today's list is Claude AI. While many people automatically open ChatGPT for every task, Claude has quietly become one of the smartest AI assistants available today. It's designed to handle long conversations, understand complex instructions, and generate clear, thoughtful responses that feel surprisingly natural. One of Claude's biggest strengths is working with long documents. Instead of struggling through dozens of pages yourself, you can upload reports, PDFs, research papers, or business documents and ask Claude to summarize, explain, or extract the exact information you need in just seconds. Claude is also excellent for brainstorming ideas, writing emails, improving articles, planning projects, and explaining difficult topics in simple language. Whether you're a student, a content creator, or a business professional, it adapts to your workflow and helps you get more done in less time. If your work involves reading, writing, researching, or solving complex problems, Claude AI can easily become one of the most valuable websites in your daily routine. And that's just the beginning, because the next website takes AI productivity to an entirely different level. The second AI website on today's list is Grok AI. While many AI assistants are great at answering general questions, Grok stands out because it can help you understand what's happening right now. It is designed to provide information about current events, trending topics, and online conversations, making it a powerful tool for anyone who wants to stay updated. One of Grok's biggest advantages is its ability to help users explore what's trending. Whether you want to understand a breaking topic, analyze online discussions, or get quick explanations about recent events, Grok can make the process much faster. Instead of searching through dozens of websites, you can ask questions directly and get a clearer picture of what's happening. Grok can be especially useful for content creators, researchers, students, and professionals who need quick access to information and ideas. For creators, it can help discover trending topics. For students, it can simplify complex information. And for professionals, it can help save valuable research time. Grok is more than just another chatbot. It's a powerful AI assistant for understanding the world around you faster. But now, let's move from information to creativity, because the next AI website can turn your ideas into stunning visuals. The third AI website on today's list is Ideogram AI. While traditional AI tools focus on text and information, Ideogram focuses on turning your ideas into stunning visuals. From realistic images to creative designs, Ideogram allows anyone to create professional-looking artwork with just a simple text prompt. One of Ideogram's most impressive features is its ability to create detailed images while understanding text inside images. This makes it useful for creating posters, thumbnails, logos, social media designs, and creative content. Ideogram is perfect for creators, marketers, designers, and anyone who needs eye-catching visuals without spending hours learning complicated software. Whether you're designing a YouTube thumbnail or creating social media content, Ideogram can speed up your creative process. Ideogram proves that creating professional visuals is no longer limited to designers. But what if you want even more control over AI-generated images? The next tool gives creators advanced image generation features with incredible detail. The next AI tool is Leonardo AI, a powerful platform designed for creating high-quality images, characters, and digital artwork. Unlike simple image generators, Leonardo gives creators more control over style, details, and customization. Leonardo AI allows users to create everything from realistic portraits to game assets and marketing visuals. Its customization options make it popular among designers and creative professionals. Creators use Leonardo AI for thumbnails, illustrations, concept art, and branding ideas. It helps transform simple ideas into professional visuals without expensive design tools. AI images are impressive, but what if AI could create moving videos? The next tool takes artificial intelligence from pictures to cinematic video generation. Kling AI is an advanced AI video generation tool that can transform simple ideas into realistic video clips. It allows users to create cinematic scenes without traditional cameras or expensive equipment. With Kling AI, users can generate videos from text prompts or animate existing images. This makes it useful for storytelling, marketing, and content creation. Kling AI is useful for filmmakers, YouTubers, advertisers, and creators who want professional visuals quickly. It removes many barriers that previously required expensive production setups. AI video generation is changing content creation. But what about making meetings and conversations smarter? The next tools focus on productivity and saving time. Tactic AI is a smart meeting assistant designed for people who attend online meetings regularly. Instead of taking notes manually, it automatically captures conversations, highlights key points, and creates organized summaries. This helps teams stay focused on discussions instead of worrying about writing everything down. Tactic AI works directly with platforms like Google Meet, Zoom, and Microsoft Teams. It generates searchable transcripts, summarizes discussions, highlights action items, and helps teams review important decisions quickly. Instead of replaying long recordings, you can instantly find the information you need and save valuable time. Tactic AI is especially useful for students, remote teams, project managers, and business professionals. It keeps meeting notes organized, makes follow-ups easier, and ensures important discussions are never forgotten. Whether it's a lecture or a client meeting, everything stays searchable and easy to review later. If meetings are handled, what about interviews, lectures, and voice notes? The next AI tool is built to transcribe and organize spoken conversations with incredible accuracy. The final AI website on today's list is Otter AI. If you've ever struggled to keep up during meetings, lectures, interviews, or brainstorming sessions, this tool can completely change the way you capture information. Instead of trying to write everything down, Otter AI automatically listens, transcribes conversations, and organizes everything into searchable notes. Whether you're attending a Zoom meeting, a classroom lecture, or an interview, Otter AI creates accurate transcripts while the conversation is happening. It also highlights important moments, making it much easier to review key information later. Instead of replaying long recordings again and again, you can quickly search for specific keywords, review action items, and focus on the ideas that matter most. It's an excellent productivity tool for students, professionals, and remote teams alike. If your day involves meetings, studying, interviews, or collaborating with others, Otter AI can save you valuable time while making sure you never miss important details. It's a simple but incredibly useful website that deserves a place in your AI toolkit. And that's a wrap on today's list of 7 powerful AI websites. From smarter writing and real-time research to AI image generation, meeting assistance, and productivity tools, each of these websites can help you work faster and more efficiently. If you discovered a website that you'll actually use, let me know in the comments which one was your favorite. I'd love to hear your thoughts. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, and turn on notifications because this is just episode 2 of our AI series. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.